Namaskar. Vitamin C is one of the most precious gifts you can give to your skin. It helps lighten dark spots, reduce wrinkles, and protects against damage from sun and pollution. But why buy expensive products which are always filled with preservatives when you can make your own pure vitamin C serum at home? Let me teach you how to make 3 effective vitamin C syrup at home. First, we have orange peel and aloe vera serum. This first serum is gentle and hydrating, perfect for skincare beginners or those with sensitive skin. Orange peel is a natural storehouse of vitamin C, and when combined with aloe vera gel, it soothes and revitalizes your skin. Studies show that aloe vera extract is natural, effective ingredient for improving skin hydration. Another research found that citronella essential oil used in this serum helps in retaining moisture and also in fighting acne. The ingredients you need are 2 tablespoons dried orange peel powder, 1/4 cup fresh aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon rose water, 2 to 3 drops of citronella essential oil. To make this, first blend dried orange peel powder and aloe vera gel into a smooth paste. Add rose water to achieve serum-like consistency. Then add a few drops of citronella essential oil. Store this syrup into a glass jar in refrigerator up to 1 week. Apply a small amount of this syrup on your face and neck at night before sleeping. This syrup is like a cooling balm for your skin, gently brightening it while keeping it calm and hydrating. Next, we have an Amla Brightening Serum. Our second recipe is Amla or Indian gooseberry, paired with a natural humectant property of honey. This combination not only brightens your skin, but also deeply hydrates and softens the skin. Amla is an excellent source of vitamin C and E. It increases immunity and fights off free radicals. 100 grams of raw amla contains 478 milligram vitamin C. The ingredients you need are 1 tablespoon fresh amla juice or half teaspoon amla powder dissolved in water, 1 teaspoon raw organic honey, 2 tablespoons distilled water, half a teaspoon vitamin E oil. To make this, extract fresh amla juice by grating and straining fresh amla or dissolve amla powder in distilled water. Mix the amla juice, honey and vitamin E oil in a clean bowl. Stir thoroughly and make it into a smooth consistency. Transfer the mixture into a glass dropper bottle to protect it from light. Store in the refrigerator up to 7 days. Shake thoroughly well as honey may settle slightly. Apply this serum after cleansing your face in the morning. Take 2 to 3 drops of this serum and gently massage into your skin with your fingers. Follow with sunscreen as vitamin C increases sensitivity to sunlight. This serum is nourishing, hydrating and brightening. Over time, your skin will look really radiant. The third is lemon green tea anti-aging serum. This third serum combines lemon juice for its potent vitamin C content with green tea, which is rich in antioxidants. It's perfect for matured or tired skin. Green tea has compounds called as polyphenol, which are very effective in combating antioxidants which cause skin damage and aging. The ingredients you need for this serum: 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice, always dilute to avoid irritation, 2 tablespoons green tea, cooled after steeping, 1 teaspoon pure rosehip oil or almond oil. To make this serum, brew a strong cup of green tea and let it cool. Mix this green tea with the lemon juice and rosehip oil. Pour the mixture into a small glass dropper bottle. Shake well before each use. Store in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Apply at night after cleansing. Pat gently into your skin and let it work overnight. Avoid using during the day to prevent photosensitivity from the lemon juice. This serum is little more intense and work best for matured and tired skin. Use it regularly and watch your skin regain its vitality. These 3 vitamin C serum can really help your skin heal from within and help you with pigmentation and uneven skin tone. But do a patch test to see if your skin is sensitive to any of these. By making these serums at home, you are not just caring for your skin but also reminding yourself that you are worthy of care and attention. Namaskar.